Okay, what does it mean that the reflected light is fully plane polarized? Okay, reflected light is fully plane polarized. When there's a beam of light, okay, we have a beam of light strikes a water surface. So this is air and water, and the reflected light is fully plane polarized. So we know that. Okay, so this is not critical angle, so there will be some light that will be reflected. This one is reflected, and this one is refracted. Okay, so you have a certain angle. Let's say this is theta. Now, if the reflected and reflected angle is 90 degree, so this one will be Brewster's angle. Okay, this is known as a Brewster's angle. And for Brewster's angle, this light, that the incident light that coming through that strikes the water is an unpolarized light. Okay, it's an unpolarized light. So this is how we draw the unpolarized light. This is unpolarized. Okay, this is unpolarized light. The meaning of dot and the meaning of arrow. Okay, so we have dot. Dot is the component parallel to page. Okay, to page, and then we have arrow like this. This is component parallel. This is component perpendicular to page, and this is component parallel. Okay, parallel to page. So the reflected ray will be fully polarized. Okay, so only the component that is parallel to the page can pass through. Okay, and while the refracted, okay, which is the refracted is partially polarized. Okay, it's partially polarized. So this one becomes half intensity. Okay, so this is how we explain the characteristic. Okay, how we explain the characteristic of reflected ray at Brewster's angle. Okay, then to solve this problem, we have when we have Brewster's angle, the reflected light is fully plane polarized, so we have to use Brewster's law. Brewster's law is tangent theta b, that means tangent of the angle of Brewster's law is equal to n, the refractive index. Okay, and given that the refractive index of water is 1.33, so we need to find the Brewster's angle. So theta b is equal to shift 10 1.33. 53 degree. Okay, so I hope you understand the question. A beam of light strikes a water surface, okay, and the reflected light is fully plane polarized. So this is fully plane polarized. So the refractive index of water is 1.33. What is the angle of incidence? So the angle of incidence is Brewster's angle.